All right, ladies and gentlemen. I won't call the dudes germs this time because we're all in this together. Hold on a second. Let me untangle this cord. Okay, now I want to do tape reading again because, like I said before, tape reading is going to allow you to feed yourself. Okay? I can give you all the different techniques I use with these order flow models and the point of control and the candles and all of those things. And that's all going to be well and good. But tape reading is the best because it will allow you to listen to the story. Okay, I'm going to change it up here a little bit. This is crude oil for February delivery. It's a 10 range chart. That means each one of these candles is 10 cents. All right. So let's start with what's in this yellow box. Now, remember that these numbers that are above here are all measures of pressure. Pressure, pressure, pressure. And if they're red, that's downward pressure. If they're green, like that, that's upward pressure. Well, I also want you to notice the formation of all of these candles. Oh, basically, we're just going sideways through here. Okay, that's essential as well. Because you're going sideways and the bears are really pushing it here. Negative 144, negative 358, negative 103, negative 122, negative 148. And really you only have two with positive pressure through this 7-8 candle range. So we know that there's a shift going on here. Okay? That the bears are in control, and it's only a matter of time before they break it. And they did break it. Not hugely, but they broke it. Now, here's the kicker. I've gone over the tape reading with the COT, or the commitment of traders, or a measurement of pressure. What I want you to notice here is these purple lines that I drew. And all those are the range of everything that went on inside this yellow box. So 20 cents. So I take the range of those two purple lines and I bring it down here, subtracted from this line here. So another 20 cents lower. This is called symmetry. I want you to notice what happens for the rest of the day at this purple line. Okay? We come down to it, immediately we rally back above it. We come down to it, immediately we rally back above it. We come down to it, immediately we rally back above it. Then we use this for support. Then we rally all the way back up to the top of the range, which was that yellow box, and we sell off again. We do the same thing here, except this time we get a reversal candle. All right, which you have the long wick and the short body. That is a reversal. You actually had two. So you know you're going to get a push down. But what I want you to really pay attention to is the fact that we're playing off of this range that was set in that period where earlier we were having all that pressure on the commitment of traders. But it's not over yet. We come back up to the top of the range. Can't break it. We come back down to our what? Symmetry line, which was the equal distance between that zone that we were looking at, and we rally back above it again. This is telling us something. You're going to see exactly what it's telling us. Now we're going into the aftermarket here, but you can see right now, this is where we're trading right now. So we broke it, rallied back up, couldn't do anything, broke down again. Now this is the ceiling. 58.18 is the ceiling because of that symmetry. See how that worked? I'm hoping that wasn't too confusing, and this might take you a couple times watching the video, but this is all still in play. The purple lines are all still in play, all based off of what? What is it all based off of? It's all, I'm sorry about the scrolling, but I got to go back here. It's all based off of everything that happened in this little box with all this pressure on price. And then the dotted line, which was equidistant from the bottom. So, 20 cents here was this range. All I did is add 20 cents onto the bottom of this range, and that gave us this purple line. Symmetry. So once again, all this negative pressure in a tight range with candles that are very close to retracing each other all the time, and you have a setup, and then you have a potential target for the remainder of the day. So a couple of things I want you to take away from here. I want you to take away the tape reading with the pressure, and I want you to take away the fact that you can measure based upon everything that went on inside this area where all this pressure was. You can get a measurement as to the potential of where we could come down to and how that could play out during the course of the day. All right, that's it. Hopefully this was informative for you, and I will talk to you guys later.